Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about some most important MCQ on human anatomy and physiology. Question number 1. What is human anatomy? A. Human anatomy is the study of the functions of body parts. B. Human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. C. Human anatomy is the study of bacteria and viruses. D. Human anatomy is the study of disease and its causes. The correct answer is B. Human anatomy is the study of the structure of the human body. Question number 2. What is human physiology? A. Human physiology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. B. Human physiology is the study of the internal and external structures of the human body. C. Human physiology is the study of the functions of body parts. D. Human physiology is the study of microscopic organisms. The correct answer is B. Human physiology is the study of the internal and external structures of the human body. Question number 3. How many bones does an adult human skeleton have? A. 205. B. 207. C. 209. D. 206. The correct answer is D. 206. Question number 4. Which of the following part of human skeleton forms the helmet for the protection of human brain? A. Cranium. B. Temporal bone. C. Hyoid. D. Mandible. The correct answer is A. Cranium. Question number 5. Which of the following part of the human brain has a center for controlling breathing? A. Medulla oblongata. B. Diencephalon. C. Cerebrum. D. Cerebellum. The correct answer is A. Medulla oblongata. Question number 6. Which of the following cells in the pancreas make insulin? A. Epithelial cells. B. Hepatic cells. C. Germ cells. D. Islet cells. The correct answer is option D. Islet cells. Question number 7. What is the function of trachea? A. Filters air we breathe. B. Releases air out of the body. C. Carries air to lungs. D. Exchange of gas. The correct answer is option A. Filters air we breathe. Question number 8. Which of the following does not belong to conducting portion of the respiratory system? A. Nose. B. Pharynx. C. Alveoli. D. Bronchioles. The correct answer is option C. Alveoli. Question number 9. What percentage of carbon dioxide transport in the form of carbaminohemoglobin? A. 20 to 25%. B. 5 to 7%. C. 3%. D. 97%. The correct answer is option A. 20 to 25%. Question number 10. What is the duration of cell cycle in yeast? A. 30 minutes. B. 24 hours. C. 90 minutes. D. 48 hours. The correct answer is option C. 90 minutes. Question number 11. Which of the following is the innermost layer of human eye? A. Retina. B. Choroid. C. Sclera. D. Cornea. The correct answer is option A. Retina. Question number 12. Which of the following is the largest gland in human body? A. Thymus. B. Kidneys. C. Liver. D. Pancreases. The correct answer is option C. Liver. Question number 13. What is a human heart made up of? A. Tissues. B. Muscle. C. Skin. D. Bone. The correct answer is option B. Muscle. Question number 14. What is the basic unit of life in the human body? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Tissue. D. Cell. The correct answer is option D. Cell. Question number 15. Approximately how many cells does an average adult human body contain? A. 10 to 20 trillion. B. 30 to 40 trillion. C. 50 to 60 trillion. D. 70 to 80 trillion. The correct answer is option B. 30 to 40 trillion. Question number 16. What is the primary function of the skeleton? A. Transport nutrients. B. Protect vital organs. C. Produce energy. D. Digest food. The correct answer is option B. Protect vital organs. Question number 17. What type of tissue connects bones to other bones? A. Tendons. B. Cartilage. C. Muscle. D. Ligaments. The correct answer is option D. Ligaments. Question number 18. What is the primary function of the digestive system? A. Transport blood. B. Break down food and absorb nutrients. C. Protect organs. D. Support body movement. The correct answer is option B. Break down food and absorb nutrients. Question number 19. What is the primary function of the kidney in the human body? A. Store bile. B. Filter blood and produce urine. C. Produce digestive enzymes. D. Transport oxygen. The correct answer is option B. Filter blood and produce urine. Question number 20. What is the primary function of the respiratory system? A. Circulate blood. B. Digest food. C. Protect organs. D. Exchange gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. The correct answer is option D. Exchange gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more videos like this, please comment below. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe button.